In this video, I will show you how to update Firestick to the latest version. First thing that you will need to do is to select the settings cog icon. Scroll down and open My Fire TV, open About, and in here go ahead and click on Check for Updates. If you don't see the Check for Updates option, your Firestick must already been updated. Now skip on to the next step, select Install Update, wait for your Firestick to install the updates, and don't press any button on your Fire TV remote during the update. Your device may restart to apply the update successfully. And here are some points that you need to keep in mind before updating your Firestick. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Don't unplug Firestick during the update. And last but not the least, close apps before installing updates. And that is how you can basically update your Firestick to the latest version. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.